Girls and guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a bit of a weird one. Customers brought their Peugeot 2008 in for an engine management light issue. It is a 2008, I just had to go and check. So yes, it's come in with an engine management light issue. The car is on the ramp because I had to check what I was seeing is correct. So this is the engine management light. That was too close. This is what the engine management light fault is. So ignore the other fault codes. We've got P05b2, control of the controlled air intake module, position 2. And then P16B1, control of the controlled air intake module, actuator jammed. Which is a bit confusing. First thing I did was open the bonnet to see if there was anything like damaged, broken or anything. But then I had to do a little bit of looking up on what these actually are. And then I found the problem, which is pretty good. So over the Christmas break, the customer rang me up and said, can you replace this bit of trim? Because I hit something on the road. So as you can see, the grill's quite smashed up, but look inside. Can you see the broken flaps? Let's put some light in there. So these are the air intake flaps. There's bits of debris in there as well. So that module that you see in front of you, that is actually wedged in the flaps. I'm really enjoying the word flap, by the way. And some of the flaps are broken off and just chilling, dangling down. There's debris everywhere. But that is the reason for the fault. Because whatever they run over was dense enough to absolutely destroy it. Now that bracket, looking at it, looks fairly strong. I'm gonna have to unbolt that because it is actually in the flaps. So we'll unbolt that and try and operate them. I might actually have to remove some of these before we order a new unit because that is pretty spangled in there. All right, well, with the two broken flaps out, I've undone the module. You can see that is quite bent. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna straighten that out. I'll just see what I can do. Well, with help of the big grips, we can see we've got space around the back. They were the weapon of choice. Just grabbed it and bent it forward. Just gonna tighten it up and then activate the flaps and make sure it all works. So just going through diagnostics again, cleared all the faults. Still saying there's faults in the engine ECU. Oh no, it's gone. So now the faults are gone, what I'm gonna do is go into the individual system and activate the flaps. Well, besides it being overdue a service and tyre pressures are low, I've actuated the flappies and nothing's happened. No faults come back, which is good. We know we've removed the jam, so we're going to take for a little road test and see what happens next. Well, I am happy to report we've still got the same lights on the dash that we did, minus the engine management light. Taking it for a drive, messed around the heating, did everything to try and activate the flappage. And we did it from the computer, so that's all good. So that was to fix that P code. I did speak to the customer and we found out they actually hit a Fox. So yeah, Fox 1 Peugeot nil. Although the thing had passed away, it has done significant damage. Just more than the superficial trims that they thought it once was, but it is what it is. This is why you avoid roadkill. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to the channel. I said we're going to be doing some projects at some point. That's still ongoing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Drop a like and subscribe. See you next time. So this one is done.